Yeah. Someone at the door, John, now I'm here to stay. Tell me who the fuck gonna face the music. More brick laying, less screen time. Been cutting back on the daily usage. Long road for the road dogs, for the weird miles from a soapbox. Got BKTs on this bitch, so everybody getting rolled on, yeah. Yeah, everybody getting rolled on. Check all this credits on BMI. I'm just too kind to expose y'all. And I see a team with the...
What's up, YouTube? It's boy Pop, because we are back with another video. In today's video, we are going to Myrtle Beach. It is a shutdown going on down there. It's not a truck show, it's just a meet. So we're going to head down there. I'm not taking the Yukon, y'all. I think Myrtle's on my truck enough. I don't need to take it down there. It's pointless, you know what I'm saying? Cole not taking his truck. Cole, why you not taking your truck?
$500 tickets in Daytona.
You scared? I'm not driving mine. Cole not driving his, but we is taking his dad's truck. What is this, 2021? 2020? What you got done to it?
24 by 12 on 37 hardcore, the new HC21s, and a 10-inch FPA.
You ready?
I'm ready to go.
With that being said, we are leaving our trucks here. I'm leaving a dually. I'm leaving a Yukon. Logan don't have a truck, so there's no truck from the brain. They've been waiting on me all day. We about to hit the road, y'all. I wasn't gonna go at first, but I decided to go last night. Literally, it was the last minute thing. I was like, you know what? I'll jump on the road and go, because I was not about to go at first. About to head down there. I'll see you on the road trip, because I need to hurry get my stuff ready.
We made it.
We made it.
Somehow.
It's currently 1 in the morning. We made it to Myrtle. I slept most of the trip. This guy stayed up the entire time. I don't see how nor he did it, bro. You need to be my personal driver. I didn't film too much driving down here. Just a little snippet of B-roll I filmed. I was so tired, bro. I'm about to go in here and be knocked out. So with that being said, I will pick the camera up tomorrow. And yeah.
I'm gonna find somebody so I can ask them where the hose at. Somebody gotta know where the hose at. Oh yeah, this is a perfect opportunity. Hey, my good sir, did you happen to know where the hose are at? That's what I'm looking for. Shit! He said he was looking for him too, so he ain't got no hose at all.
About to get something to eat?
And a shot challenge.
You gonna get your nipples tickled?
I guess so. Better be a hot bitch.
She gotta be hot to do it, huh?
She better have some big old you know what. That was fucking dog shit.
It was good?
No. Look at this. I'd rather give that to my dog than eat it. Bucks and no frogs.
Hell no.
This was the only good part about my experience.
Hey, chug it all, chug it all, chug it all, chug it all. Chug it all, chug it all, chug it all. Ooh.
That was easy. I need another one. The food, negative 29. Senor Frogs, negative 400.
On any of those trucks over there, they got to go.
Why would we be over here for if we on any of those trucks?
Any of the ones in front of my business.
Well, go to them trucks and ask them. What business you talking about? He made like $10 an hour, bro. Juju right there, we about to head over to the pottery, they say, where the truck's gonna be at. So about to go over there right now. I don't know how it's gonna be. I got two-stroke right here. God dang, two-stroke, you got a wall in here?
Yes, sir.
My ear's about to be ringing. Oh, ain't you on bags? God. Ain't he on bags? What did powder coat, y'all? We about to head to the pottery right now. And I pay the camera when we get over there, because I think it's lit over there. I think it's lit on that side. Is it lit on that side? Yes. All right, we about to find out right now.
Right there, right behind you.
Why you trying to be like you, Keith? Why you trying to be like you? Hey, cool out. Cool out, dude. Keith, do that walk, Keith. Drop it again. Drop it again.
Bro, it's on the side here.
I see you. Picked up the camera yet. Cole did, so Cole is getting all the footage right now. Make sure y'all follow Cole on Instagram.
Hey.
All these trucks out here, Cole didn't film. I didn't film it yet. About to get that footage, y'all. With that being said, I'll put the camera up later.
You take the camera down with me. Take the camera down with me. Well, what the? Take them bitches off, nigga. Niggas act like they don't make lotion out of that hoe.
Ain't talking. That bitch, you can't even see them black ass socks, but they blend with your skin. Ugly ass.
Oh, God. Look at that nigga Crocs lean. Them bitch got a 2-inch space on them. Big ass.
Bitch, shut your alligator looking ass up.
That nigga Crocs lean like fuck. Say cheese one time.
Hey, your lips ain't even brown. Them bitches purple.
Smile check. Say cheese.
You say cheese. Bitch, say cheese. You got a major overbite.
What is wrong with her?
That bitch mad as fuck.
She about to hit y'all. She about to hit somebody.
Are you big as hell?
You need to move.
Are you good, bro?
Damn.
Oh! Hey, I don't give a shit. It ain't fuck, bro. I do this to my own hair.
Oh God, I'm gonna kill myself.
Look, he gonna go get him. You wanna go get him. Oh, he letting him go? Drop the bag.
Hey, what's up? Hey, we here. We're here with Papa. My name's Logan. This is my brother Cameron.
Yeah.
Y'all don't realize how big this Yukon is. I swear, bro. Bro, I swear to God, it's like this much taller than me. This Money Mike. We got this my dog. All right, now we about to go to the dance floor. Come on, twin. Hit that shit, twin. Just spit them bitches.
These are the lights right here. He put them on in the day.
Maybe mom and dad were right when they told me this wouldn't be nothing. Maybe I should take their advice, go get a life, or maybe get a job or something. Pack it up and head back home, tell everybody I was bluffing. Or maybe I'll just get out my head and focus on what I know's coming. Yeah. Cause I can't fall asleep at night without seeing my dreams. Delusion, reality, I'm somewhere in between. These voices in my head get loud and they keep telling me that I'm a fool for trusting in these wings. But maybe, baby, this will fly.
I love this bill right here. He said his grandpa owned. He just got it. Oh my God. I tried to buy it from him, but he said he gonna ask a crazy amount. So obviously, I'm not gonna pay that crazy amount for it, but
it ain't really not crazy. It's just a 7.9 FTS.
You can even tell by the paint job right here. This is factory paint on this truck. And this is how well taken care of it's been. Even got headers on there. You can see the headers right there. You got headers on there. What you got, cat back straight?
No, I don't even have cats. It's just straight pipe.
Oh, just straight pipe?
Yeah, just short tube headers to 3-inch pipe.
You can look on the inside of this car and tell it was well taken care of and grandpa owned. Look at this. There's no damage here at all. No rips in the seat. This thing is super clean inside. Dietrich, why are you disrespecting yourself like that? Go put some shoes on or some socks on. Go do something with those. Bro, come on now. Go put some socks on.
Tell them hoes to come suck them bitches.
She's taking a pee by your truck. She's really peeing, bro.
Let it leak. Let it leak. Let it leak. Lick it, lick it, lick it.
You gonna lick it? You gonna lick it? You gonna lick it?
Real glee for real Zephyr.
Oh, I'm getting you. Why are you doing this, bro? Why? Bro, what are you doing?
Turn the camera off.
Bro, ain't no way you just did that.